digital gold. TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy. That's where it's at. Piper Academy. This is the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy network. So let's get started, guys. 3, 2, 1. A bingo bango, a bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. We show you that trading is only as complicated as you make it. It really is. I'll tell you what's not complicated, being bipolar, because we're happy, then we're sad. We're winning, then we're not. Well, for most people. Let's see here. Let's look at the daily. Speaking about bipolar, good Lord. Down. Ray down 12.6%. What does this tell me? Good buying opportunity, possible. Let's see here. Fart coin down 20%. Hex down 15.8%. We have Lido down. So many are down. So many are down. Jupiter. Let's go to the hourly, which we kind of showed you already. Nice and green. Ooh, doggy. I love it. Let's say hello to the viewers. We got Jesse in the house. Jesse is first with the bingos and the bangos. So happy you're here, guys. So happy you're here. I do have my trusty notebook. Right here. Let's go ahead and write all these down. We do have, let's see here, AIXBT. We will do that one. We also want to see Blender. I haven't seen Blender in a while. So Blender, and then Dex. This one I don't think I've ever looked at. Let's see here. What's up, Paul? What's going on, my friend? See, what's up, brother? Crazy day on the charts. Yes, indeed. Right now I'm in a long, and I'm up. I went short earlier today, and for my group, of course, there's different groups. Of course, my name, of course, Trade Intuition. I am on Telegram group. And there we went short last night. We could have been doing shorts along this whole time, but I've been strictly focused on research. Last night, I was all researched out. I said, let's have some fun with Bitcoin. Let's poke it with a stick. And we went short, did pretty well on it. And then just right now, I say maybe 30 minutes ago, I guess, I'm not even sure, maybe 5 minutes. Time does not work with me. Went ahead, went long. And right now we're up 98%. Let's go Bitcoin. All right, here we go. We got Day P in the house. Day P, what's up, man? And we got True. What's up, True? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for being here. If everybody's definitely special likes, that does help support the channel. Now, what do we do here on the TA portion of Piper Academy Network? TA is for Trade Academy. Of course, my name is TI, Trade Intuition. Others know me, especially in this community, as Tradester Joe and also TI Joe. So again, my community knows me as Trade Intuition. We show you how we can trade these coins, whether they're going up or they're going down. We show you how to look at level by level. Can you have a bunch of indicators to help you? Sure. Can you have a bunch of memorization as far as patterns and the candle names and the series of candles, what that name is? Sure, of course. For me, I like keeping things simple. I really do. The more simplistic we make it, the less of a, man, what do I do? 14 things say yes, 14 things say no. Let me just get a quarter. Flip it, heads, I go long, tails, I go short. Here, we show you how to identify each level. So this is to give you the very solid foundation that one needs to build on that. And that's what we do here. That's what we do. All right. Let's see here. Did we all smash the like button? No? Please be kind and smash the like button. Yeah, guys, definitely. It's free. It's free. It's a free way to show support. There's no KYC. No KYC required to smash that like. So go ahead and do that. Let's see here. UFD creator was hacked. Really? I didn't hear about that. UFD creator was hacked. Is that unicorn fart dust? Please tell me it wasn't. Did you see that on his Twitter? Let me know. I know I saw a post in the very beginning that it was hacked or something. I don't know. But please tell me unicorn fart dust wasn't hacked. See here. My pleasure. Awesome, man. Thank you, True. Thank you, True. All right. Let's go. Let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Let us look. Let us look. No. Oh. So let's do some research. Let's do some research. This is very important. Beep, 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 beep. Very important. Unicorn fart dust. Let's see here. Let's go Ron's basement. Ron's basement. Let's see here. 16 minutes ago. See, Ron had no wrongdoing in what has happened today. Yeah, I did notice that I'm down quite a bit on the coin. But it's okay. Things go up, things go down. I can confirm that Ron had UFD plus other funds withdrawn from his wallet. Ron is heartbroken and will never give up on the community. Engagers have been alerted to. Okay. Man, that sucks. So 12 minutes ago, Unicorn Fart Dust leader needs our help. Had his wallet hacked and drained. It's time to show that good attracts good. Yes. And I love his saying. This is a really good dude. I really like this dude. I really do. I started following him when he was doing the gold and silver. And really nice guy, down to earth guy, just like a brother, like an uncle, you know. And it's really sad. Donate to Ron's new secure. Okay. I'm gonna buy some today and donate it to him. He's a good dude. I really like him. But how did this thing get hacked? But he's definitely, and he calls himself a boomer as well. He is definitely boomer material. So he might have clicked on something. So this is one thing that we have to do. We have to be very vigilant. On his YouTube now, you have to just his wallet. Okay, so just his wallet. Okay. 6.2 million were sold. Damn, bro, yeah. So we have to be very vigilant whenever we're connecting our wallets to anything. Myself, I have, 12 wallets, I guess, if not more. And anytime I'm going to connect to, let's say a website needs to connect to my wallet because I'm going to trade or I'm going to do something, I always create a new account. And I'll name that account whatever it is. Or if I'm expecting an airdrop, which I really don't like doing, I don't think I've ever done it. But let's say I was going to do an airdrop for virtuals or for whatever, I would create a new wallet and name it that. So if anything is in my wallet that says virtuals that I applied for, and I'll make sure the name is correct, I'll make sure everything's correct before I try to withdraw. Because let's say you get virtuals and instead of an S, it has a 5. But it looks like an S because you just got airdropped $10,000 worth. You're like, holy moly, let me go ahead and withdraw it. And you connect your wallet, all of your crypto gets gone, gets stolen. So this is why it's very important. So I know that if I'm expecting an airdrop, I only want to see that one coin in there. Because these wallets, it's on the blockchain. Anybody can get your wallet address and then just mass airdrop all these coins that are scam coins. You try to connect it, you try to sell it, it wipes out your whole account. Be very careful in reference to emails. Emails, I think I have like 8 or 10 emails Same thing. One email goes to my bank. One email goes to an exchange. Another email goes to another exchange. Another email goes to the newsletters that I get. Another email. So I have a whole bunch for different reasons. So I know if my bank email gets an email saying, please confirm your crypto exchange has been compromised. Log in to verify that you weren't affected. I do not click the links, because if you click a link, it could look like your exchange. It's called spoofing. It could look like your exchange, and you click on it and you put in your password, your username. It says, nope, try it again. So now what the scammers are doing, they're actually logging your keys. So you type it in really slow and you verify. You click submit, nope, try again. But now it redirects you to your exchange. So you do it one more time. It's like, man, I know I got this right. Do it one more time. And now there's your exchange. Okay. You think nothing of it. It's like, I could have sworn I put it in anyway. So you go about your day. In the meantime, they just got your login password and your login. And then before you know it, all your stuff's gone. Be very careful. There's a lot of scammers out there. If you're on Telegram, if you're on Discord, anybody who reaches out to you and says they're an admin or they're the owner of the group, the admins and the owners of the group do not have time to reach out to you. As important as you may think you are, they don't have time. Nobody's going to reach out to you. The only people who are going to reach out to you are the scammers impersonating these people. So be very careful. Same thing. Man, I used to love it. I just started X. I didn't know about, I just started X. I'm an old dude. And I get these people who I'm following, let's say Tom Crown. Love the dude, very funny. I'm watching Tom Crown. He's got Twitter. Let me sign up to his Twitter. I follow him. And before you know it, I have Tom Crown wanting to follow me, a nobody. I was like, holy moly, this is amazing. Like, I'm starstruck. Why would he want to follow me? Maybe he knows that I'm starting a YouTube channel at the time. I'm starting a YouTube channel and he wants to help support me. So I friend him right away. Then, as time went on, I realized, this Tom Crown guy, he has 37 followers and he's following 3,000 people. That doesn't look right. So then I go to Tom Crown's actual Twitter and it shows the amount of people he's following versus the amount of people that are following him. I was like, ooh, they got me. So all this is very important. Be very careful. Have multiple areas where your money's at, because there are a lot of scammers out there. And of course, have a cold wallet, to where it's stored offline. And whenever you have your coins on an exchange or in a wallet that you connect, a hot wallet, which is a web browser extension, you're always prone to these type of attacks. Oh man, breaks my heart. Breaks my heart. This is a good dude. I really like him. And in my opinion, this is the safest meme coin you can get. Not financial advice, but just because I know, like, he himself will not rug. Now, he just has to be a little bit more careful when it comes to his wallets. And it's all learning. It's all a learning process. That's all it is. All right. So let's go ahead and catch up with the chats. Let's catch up with the chats. Okay, going down the list. Okay. Yeah, that's why I don't trust these airdrops. Yeah, same here. There was one time back when I was just brand new into crypto. One of my buddies, he's been around for 2 seasons already. And I happened to be talking to him on Telegram. I was like, oh man, I just checked my wallet. I got 10,000 extra dollars in my account. And he goes, what do you mean? I said, I don't remember buying this token. I might have, I don't know, but I'm going to sell it. Joe, stop. I said, what's going on? That's a scam. How do you know? Did you buy those? No, they're just here. I'm going to sell them. He goes, Joe, you connect your wallet to it, it's going to drain all of your account. I said, really? And so I started Googling and investigating. And sure enough, what they do, let's say you get airdropped a certain token, but it's nowhere that you can sell it except for this certain DEX. This certain DEX is selling that token. Well, that's the part of the scam. You connect to that, and then boop, all your money's gone. Or if you try to sell it, boop, all your money's gone. It's that. Let's see here. Dang it. I don't know how long I've been muted. I usually look at it. 3 minutes. Dang it. Sorry, guys. I gave out my secret sauce on how I became a multi-trillionaire and then lost it all. Yeah. And I said I would never repeat that story again. I'm really glad that I look at the chat, though. Really glad. And I have this chat over here, but I'm focusing on this one. But I do need to focus on both. 5 minutes. It was 3 minutes. Oh, y'all are delayed though. Not too bad. See here. I just read Road Dogs. See, I have this window over here, but all of my notifications come up, so it blocks the majority of the time. So I'm looking at this one. Oh well. See here. So right now I'm long. So you put it in here. I'm long. I actually entered long once it broke this level. And I would be surprised if it came down to about here. I would like to see it come down to here. But if it breaks this, I'll just close out my long, and then I'll wait to see what happens. Let's see here. See it. Oh, retro mic. Ouch. A burn. Let's see. We're gonna get to Bitcoin in just a moment, as far as our thought process, and short, long. That's embarrassing. Jenna says, your voice. Come on, Joe. Get with the program. And I actually have, I'm going to show this to you. Oh, wait, can I do this? I actually have my audio mixer right underneath my chat. And I didn't even see it. I'm just so busy up here. It's like, dang it. That's all right. Okay. No sound. Come on. Yeah, I got, once I started talking about hackers and scammers, I'm telling you, they got me. All right. Very good. Okay. Going down the list. Yeah, happens to the best of us. Yeah, Road Dog knows that story. So right now, I would expect it to come down, but we'll see. Mic is on. All right. Okay. Oh, and I don't have this. So what I do is I actually have an alert thing, but I have it on my channel. So whenever I get super chats or whenever I get anything, I hear a ding and I see it on the screen, but I don't want to have it on this channel for my channel, because then you'll see, all my subscribers. See. Too long, Jesse. See here. Pepper says, if you're not bearish, you have to talk on mute. So here it comes, coming down. Very good. Let me go ahead and sell. I'm gonna close my trade. Even though I'm wanting to come down, I'm gonna wait to see what ends up happening. All right. So let's go back up to the chats, and then see here. Going down the list. I love you guys. The Dusty Hunt said, I can read lips. You are praising Kamala. No. Cup and handle? No, definitely not. It depends if you watch certain people that call everything a cup and handle. This is definitely not a cup and handle. This right here, kind of a cup and handle. It needs to come down, right where the wick's at. Because the handle needs to be, well, technically 1/3 the length of this. But this would have been more of the cup and handle. This definitely not. This is just a higher low. But all this stuff, they don't need names. When you put names to them, it gives you a bias, in my opinion. But I could be wrong. To the long side. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting to see where it retraces to. So hopefully it comes down to here, and we'll have some fun. Hopefully it comes down to here and does this, and then I could re-enter my long. See here. Okay, going on the list. Oh, wrong one. Crypto Boyle says, sorry to be the bear, but this could be a lower high. Wait for a church, maybe? Probably. So right now we did create a higher high, but I would like to see it come down. I don't want to see it continuing up. That's one thing I don't want. Because the higher it goes, the harder it's going to fall, in my opinion. Kind of something like this. I went up, came down, then went up again, tricking everybody, and then boop, come down. All right. All right, so I am caught up on the chats. Very good. So let's go ahead and look at this. Get out of here. So one of the questions that people may ask, yesterday I had mentioned that on my channel at 12 o'clock, Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time, price action was up here. I said, I don't like it. It's not looking strong. You know, could you short anytime? Sure. Could you long anytime? Sure. It just depends on what you see. But the overall, this thing's getting me upset. Get out of here. We don't want you. The overall 4-hour time frame, as long, that was a note for my group when we were up here. Anyway, the overall, if we break below this, we're bearish. This is when everybody's bearish. This is when the market makers may say, yeah, go ahead and short. And everybody shorts. And then they could just do like a whipsaw or a very hard bounce up, stop everybody. So when we do finally short, you know, we could, granted, I did a short last night with my group. Even if we do short, like we have to be on our toes. We have to move our stop loss in profit right away and to be taking profits on the way down. We have to. Anything above this is bullish. The continuation of this. All this is internal noise. When it comes down here, we're bearish. Now, does that mean that you cannot short here? Yeah, you can short here. Just know that the longer, these are more scalps. A couple of hours, maybe a day or two. These are longer plays. This is the macro. So just give you a heads up. 74x leverage. I've been trying 5. Yeah, so it just depends on your entry and how much money you put in. I have $14. I tell that to everybody. I got $14. So I'm able to use higher leverage because if I get liquidated at 74x, it's just a few dollars. Versus if you put in 5, 10 grand, that's a lot of money, in my opinion. Depending on your financial status, 10 grand may be nothing. You might find 10 grand in your closet or in your couch or in your shoe. You know, I'm lucky if I find 10 cents. So give you a heads up. All right, moving on. So here, Golden Wolf says, yeah, I got trapped long on the weekend. So what we want to do, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's go to the, so well, first what you have to do, identify, does it look bullish or bearish? That's the first thing. Making sure the mute is off. The first thing is to identify, are we bullish or are we bearish? Then the next step is the levels. And the levels is, well, we go long when it breaks this level. We go short when it breaks this level. Very basic. But first we have to identify are we more than likely going long or short? So what we do here, this was our indication to where if it broke this level, it needs to hold it. If it broke the level, then it'd be a good time to short. Here would be your first target. Here would be your second target. Here would be your third target. And, you know, it broke it and it came down. Now, what I always like doing is I like showing you what I would have done in the moment, not from what I see. In the moment, if I wanted to short this, I could have, and I didn't, I could have entered here when we were looking at this very weak pattern or very weak structure, price action, movement, whatever you want to call it. And I would have had my stop loss above this wick, about here. Depending on where my stop loss is at, depends on how much leverage I can use and how much money I'm going to use as well. Then it came down, it broke this level. You know, this is just building confidence to the short. Broke this level, the main level. This is more of the macro. All this stuff in here is the internal structure. This is the bigger picture that we're looking at. Once it broke this level, that doesn't mean it's going to go straight down. That just means that, well, it broke this level and now maybe come down, get a bearish retest and continue down. But it just dumped. So now let's look at this 15-minute time frame. We're looking at this. Down, up, down. Came all the way down here. Up. This level. So this was my thought process. I actually shorted right here. Or here. I think I front ran this. It came up to this zone and it started coming down. So I ended up shorting and I wanted to break this level. It's safer if I entered here, but I didn't. And then it broke the level, which is good. Continue coming down. Now here, I'm expecting it to come up. I'm expecting it to come up and hopefully do a lower high, which would gain confidence in my short. Then for it to come down, break the level that it just created. And when I'm referring to levels, I'm referring to pivots. Let's see here. Joe, here's your reminder that you're coming to, yeah. So I'm going to be on Markets After Dark here on this channel at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to tune in. All right. So then, of course, it came down. And once it started coming up, I was like, let me take some more profit. Came up, came down, came up some more, broke this level. Let me take some more profit. Came down, broke this level. I might want to go and change it to a long now. Not that I'm flipping and flopping. It's just that it already came back, had a nice retrace, and maybe here's the bounce. It broke this level. And that's what I do. I trade level by level. Broke this level, entered along, and I entered along. I came up here, started coming down. I closed it. And then I entered a short. Again, once it started, came up here, did a higher high, entered a short, I think here. I want to say here, but I think here. And I'm hoping that it breaks this level. I don't know if it's going to break it or not. But based off of this price action, I would like to see up, down, taking some of this liquidity, and then here, possibly bouncing. So I did my short, and then it kept on coming. Now it's kind of battling. It's like, oof. I don't know. It's probably going to come up again. I need to break this level and then better this level. This is internal. This is external because there's all these ups and downs. It's like, then it started coming up here. I closed out my short and I opened the long here and it started coming up. And I thought it was going to get rejected here, create a lower high, come down to about here, and then go up, break this high, and then break this high. It said, nope, we're not messing around. We're going straight for it. And then, of course, here, what you saw, it started coming down. I was like, let me just close it. Let me close it because I'm expecting it to come down here. So we'll look for a bounce, and then we'll possibly enter a long. Possibly enter a long. Now, where would I enter a short? Good question. Now, let's zoom out again one more time. Let's zoom out again one more time. In order for me to be bullish on this coin for a longer period of time, it needs to break this. So it needs to break above. Oh, and I really, really hate this. This should be off and then on, like you click it on, but it's always on. I hate it. So in order for me to be bullish on this longer term, more than a few hours, it needs to break above this level, 101,590. And then, of course, go up, come down, either create a higher high, a higher low, or a bounce here in this zone and continue up. This is what I'm looking for. But until that point, to me, this is bearish. But I can still trade long and short, just depending on how long I want to be in the trade, because these are just scalps. So right now, price came down. Let's examine this on the 1 hour time frame. Price came down into my box, which is a bearish retest, came down, could not break below its previous low. Instead, it created a higher low, showing strength, coming up, and now possible, let's go to a lower, because I don't like these wicks. Now it's possible doing a lower high to potentially break this low. Because right now we're underneath this. So I'm going short. I'm looking at shorts. Because I'm thinking it's going to come down here. Now, in order for me to go long again, it needs to go above this. And these are just scalp trades. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute time frame. I like what I'm seeing. To gain more confidence in this short, I would like to see it have a pivot point, come up, and then break. That would give me confidence. But right now, I would do a short. And it's not 1%. Dang it. So I will do... I'll do 74x leverage again. Why not? No, hold on. In case any of y'all are taking trades with me, hold on. Not financial advice. Yeah. And I don't want it to come up here. I don't care if it does a higher or lower high. I don't care. I don't want it to come up above this level. So let's go ahead. Short. We'll do short 70. Come on, Joe. Let's go 74. Why 74 and not another one? Why not? Oh, wait. Where's my anchor VWAP? I'll do it from here. Okay. Let's go short. I'm just putting a little bit of money, a few dollars. Literally a few dollars. Go here. Go short, 74x. Okay, did it take it? Okay. I took it. So this is my short. Joe, you're losing. You don't know what you're doing. Possible. All right. So what I'm looking for is I do not want to break up out of this box. If it breaks out of this box, I'm actually going to set my stop loss right now. I should set it up here, but then that's more money that I'm going to lose. So I'm going to set it right here and watch. I'm going to get stopped out. Don't do it. Copy. So this is my stop loss. We'll do it in purple. Hopefully y'all can see that. Stop loss, 44%. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Confirm. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now, longer term, this structure to me looks bearish. Longer term, bigger picture, because the fact that it came up, did a bearish retest, came down, came up again, couldn't break above. It could not break above this. Get out of here. It's not what I want to do. This. Get out of here. This one will just hide it. It did not break above it and then start closing above this box. So for that reason, I'm thinking, okay, more than likely, it'll come down, break this level, break this level. This was just, giving people hope that it's going to go long. But until it does this, my thought process is short. Short. What about targets? Targets, we can do them wherever. We can put them under. So what you want to do is you want to identify. I'm done with you. What you want to do is you want to identify your pivots. So here's a pivot. Here's a pivot. So what I would do is I would take my target and put it just above that. And then put it above this one. So see. We shall see. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hey, my indicators. Oh yeah. Here's the indicators, guys. Now, I prefer to trade with this. I didn't even realize these were on. I like to trade with this. Here's how I trade. But you can have these on. You can have these And they help. They help. But for me, this is what I do. That's what I do. All right. We'll put those back on. Just to look like I know what I'm doing. All right. Let's see here. We're going to look at some coins already. We've been having some fun with Bitcoin. Yeah, so I'm going to be on tonight with Markets After Dark with Lunar Beaches Crypto, and that's at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to check us out. It's going to be cool. It's going to be nice. All right. Jesse says, I can actually see it because Jesse in a different time zone. Let's go to a 5-minute time frame just so we can see more of the ups and downs. Go down, Bitcoin, go down. All right, so let us go to the first one. Let's see here. You know what I want to do? I want to get this, put this over here. Put this over here. And just for giggles, do I have this? I think I do. Small left. Just for giggles. This is a 5-minute time frame. So everybody knows. 5-minute time frame. So this is our Bitcoin. I wish I had a border around it. This is our Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Well, let's make this money, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade. All right. Do I win all the time? Nope. Do I lose all the time? Heck no. You win, you lose. You win, you lose. All right. Right now we're winning. Right now we are winning. We're up 30%. Nice. All right. Moving on. See, Golden Wolf says, I'm in it with you. Awesome. Very nice. Now let's go. Let's go. Oh, my thing is blocking. There we go. Okay, let's do it. All right. So let's go to the first one. AI XBT. I absolutely love it. I'm actually down. I think I'm down on this one. I don't remember. I try not to look at my stuff. And if anybody ever wants us to reach out to me, it's right here. Trade_Intuition on Telegram. I'm on Telegram. Trade_Intuition. So for this one, our thought process on the 4-hour time frame. Set your alert here. 4-hour candle has closed above this. Price action was down here probably. We would have entered. Alert went off. We would have entered. It came back down, came up. We would have added to our entry at the break of this level. It's all about pivots. It's all about levels. We would add it here. We would have been doing really nice. Let's say from here to here, 20%. Get out of here. Boring. And then is this because of our trade? No, the market. And this is what's going to happen. Like I show you the actual reality of trading. It doesn't matter. You can have the perfect setup, divergence, indicators, patterns, anything that you use, everything can be perfect. And then it just goes down the market. All right. So now, and this is just showing how I trade. You know, you want to enter, if you're doing a long, you want, oh man, get out of here. Oh my gosh, I'm getting all my alerts. You want to enter for a long, the break of a pivot. You don't want to enter like down here. You could, but if it continues going down, all you did was catch a falling knife. If it goes up, well, then you brag to everybody on X, I bought the bottom. Look at me, I bought the bottom. Let me get some water. Throat's hurting. Let me talk too much. All right, good stuff. So let us delete all of this mumbo jumbo. 71 drawings, be gone. 71 drawings, be gone. All right. So look at this on the daily. On the daily, what do we see? We see the break of this level. Not good. It's okay though. So the break of this level. And so right now, don't freak out. Bitcoin is going to start coming up. Possible. So don't freak out. Now I see it coming up to our white line, which is our 9 SMA. But I do think that it would do a lower high. So let's see if it goes up to our white line, the curve, that's our moving average, and then hopefully not break above it and come down. We'll see. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. All right, moving on. So look at that one. Let's go here. Look at this one. Yeah, the biggest thing is never freak out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we try it, but don't freak out. Now, the higher leverage is very easy to freak out on. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm losing all my money. That's why I trade with very, very little. It really does help with the emotions. There's times where I trade with more than $14. I know you're thinking, Joe, all you have is 14. I take out a loan sometimes, I do. But I'll trade with a good amount of money and lower leverage. And man, just seeing like the negative and the red numbers, ooh, man, it's like, I'm trading with too much, or I'm trading with too high leverage, whether it's 10x leverage. I try not to trade more with 10 than 10x when I trade with big money. I try to only do like a 3x or 5x. And it depends on the coin that you're trading to, if it's a low market cap coin or a high market coin, depending on your amount of leverage as well. And there's times where I'll do this, man, it's too much. I'm going to close it. I don't like it. I close it. As soon as I close it, it reverses. It's like, dang it. It's like, nope, I can do it. Anyway, here we go. So right now I'm looking at this. Okay. Let me get this movie right here. 4-hour time frame, range high, range low, mid range. Now, granted, it's only one touch. So technically speaking, I wouldn't call this a range high, range low, mid range, but for this example, I'll just call it that. Now, if we get more touches, then it's definitely a range. You need at least 2 touches. So we can just call this a high, low, mid. Okay, moving on. So it did break below this level. Right now, it is in the discount area. If we were looking at this as a range, I would like to see it come down a little bit more, though. So let's see here. We have this to this. So the way I look at it, price came up and it stopped. Came down and it stopped. These are very strong points. It stopped the momentum of the up, stop the momentum of the down. So I create a box and I wanted to bounce in this box, and it currently is. All of this right here, it's a 4-hour, it's a daily. Yeah, all of this, in my opinion, is a really good area of interest. All of this. But it needs to bounce somewhere. I mean, I like it. I like it for the bounce. Get out of here, pop-ups. Oh, those are going to be throughout the whole show. So let me do this. Oops, I don't know what I did. Yeah, because those things are going to be through the show. Oh, I need to move it over more too. No, we definitely. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna like it. It's an area of a bounce. Would I enter this right now? Nope. Very high risk. Very, very high risk. What we need to do is, I would like to see it come down, and then once it breaks that pivot, then we can enter. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame just so we see more ups and downs. Now, the higher the time frame you do this, the stronger the levels are. If you're doing this on a 15-minute, the levels are still strong, but they're not as strong as a hourly time frame. Now, what we can see here, price just kind of just dumped, came up, stopped, came down, higher low, which is good, breaking this high, which is also good. And this could be the start of the run up. So what I do is I try to think of why I try to think of the plus and the negative. I try to think of the ups and the downs, the positive and negative, really, pros and cons. Those are the ones I'm looking for. I'm trying to look for cons. I'm trying to look for why I wouldn't enter this, because right now it looks great. Not gonna lie, it looks great. I'm trying to think of reasons why not into it. Unfortunately, I can't think of one. Nice pullback. Up, down, higher, low. Breaking this. We had some sell pressure here, but increased volume. It's good. I can't think of a reason why not. And that's one thing you always want to do. Don't just, oh man, it's great. Like, why would it not work? I like it. Now, question is percentages. From here to here, 15%, yeah. So this is what I would do. Let's say we have a stop loss. And our stop loss is right here. So let's go ahead and do this setup. I mean, I really do like it. So stop loss, copy, come over here, do this, make it, nice and fancy. You got to make it look fancy. Stop loss. And right now we're up 30% on our short. It needs to break this. It needs to break this level right here. I thought for sure it was going to come up here to around here to come down. And this would have been better. I would have liked to seen a pump and then get a rejection. But we'll see. Now, so that's just one entry. I want to see price action come into my buy zone. Oh, wrong one. So that we could do another entry. And we'll put this, I'll put it right here. Middle. So this will be our lower entry. Copy. Lower entry. Set this one to behind. Oh, nope. Fine. Front. Okay. We have 5 minutes before this kind of closes. So of course, we have to wait for the candle to close. Make sure the bank tool is on. And what we want to do is we want to have the candle close above this level. Copy. You know, there's a lot of tags here, right? So this candle must close, and it's not looking good. So right now the candle's not looking good. So I would have to wait. I want to see more. I want to see more of a candle body. I don't just want to see a wick. I want to see more of a candle body here to show me strength. Now, granted, this was a nice big candle. We have a very high chance it's going to come down here. So this is what I would like to see. Possibly here. Then the break. Put this one to front. This is what I would like to see. For it to come down, maybe not so far. Maybe to here. Come down, come up. Once it breaks this level, we enter on the 1 hour time frame. And we have a lower entry here as well. And then our stop loss here. That's what. Let's see here. I'm going to check the chat really quick. See, still up 1,179% on my long XBT. Ooh, man. Even with that huge drop, good Lord, you got it really good. Darren Dusting says, I'm late. Too busy today. Just popping in. Smash the like. Appreciate you, man. Uh-oh. So we have a Bitcoin moving. Bitcoin is a moving. We're up only 6%. We freaking out? Nope. Not at all. Now we're freaking out. Nobody. I don't want to break in above this. We'll see what happens right here. Maybe we get rejected off of this line. Now, if we get rejected off of this line and it breaks this level, it looks really good for us. Really good. So we just wait. Okay. So this is what I would like to see. Retracement, come up, break this level. And then what we could also do, so we're not staring at this, look at all these wicks, same about level. What I want to do is I want to set my alerts right here. Alerts will save you from staring at this all day. Come over here, set your alert. Alert is at 0.555. I'm also going to actually do this alert. And there you go. That's pretty much our setup. We're waiting. We're not entering yet. We're waiting. If this was a full candle and a very little wick, either top, bottom, doesn't matter, we'd enter, knowing that we have a chance of coming down, but very likelihood of going back up. And if not, we have a lower entry. Okay. See here, going down the list. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, so this one is done. I do like this, so let's go ahead and add this to the watch list as our most recent. Okay, so next one is Blender. Blender, USDT. Of course, this one will be much faster. It did have a really nice run up. Not sure what the market cap is on this, but I'm positive it's, at least it looks small. The market cap on this looks small. So let's go ahead and find out together. Let's find out together. This is Blender. 11 million. Bingo bango. Okay, when did it become available? Came available back in March 2024. Had a nice run up when all the other coins were running up. And then coming down. 11.72 million. Where is it available? MEXC. So it's been around for a year already. And it's only on these exchanges. They need to get to work. Tags. AI. What does it do? Let's go to the website. Ooh, fancy. I like this. I like the website so far. Blender, the blueprint for tomorrow. Very powerful statement. What does it do? Secure, scalable access to computing resources via blockchain for research and development. I like it when they have very clear, to the point statement on what it does. So many websites I go to, and look at the whole, what is it? I still don't know. All right, moving on. So far, looking good. Okay. Developer programs, got it. Elevate your AI. I love the website. Elevate your AI rendering and simulation with Blender, got it. Okay. Hey, don't they have a GPU or an actual device? Is this the one that I remember seeing last year, where they actually have an actual device that it's like a node? We'll find out. It sounds very familiar. Decentralized GPU compute mesh. Blockchain enabled digital rights management. Dynamic task assignments. Ooh, spot on. Nailed it. A Blender Box X1, the cutting edge plug and play solution that allows users to host Blender node. Boom. Mic drop. All right. I forgot how much they were last time I saw them. I don't think they were too expensive. Why didn't I buy one? They weren't available. I think that's what it was. It was like a prototype. I don't think they were available when I was looking at it. But I would guess at that time it'd be like $1,500. That's usually what they go for. Learn more. Like it? This looks amazing. I want this. I really like this. Telegram, Blender. How much is it? How do you buy them? How do you buy them? Coming soon. Still? Are you kidding me? It's been a year? No, it's been 2 years. Wait. This says it was available 2024. Last year I looked at this. I could have sworn it's been 2 years. Anyway, it's still coming soon. It's been over a year for sure. Because I remember this. Ooh. Uh-oh. Watch out. Right now we're negative 2%. All right. Let's go there, X. Let's see what they got. Okay, Blender on the 19th. 8 days ago, they posted. They need to get it on their Twitter game. Renting process. I mean, I like it. They really need to get on their Twitter game or their X. They need to get AI, somebody, to be posted for them. Then after that, a month, they have a lot of views. 20th, 2 days, same day, 2 days, same day, 5 days. Right now, I'm just looking at their amount of posts. That's all I'm looking at. Not what they post, just the amount. Same day, 2 days, same day, 5 days, same day, 2 days, same day. And they really need anything. Good morning, Blender Network. Anything. Okay, moving on. That is the research on that. Let's look at this. I'm really surprised they don't have. Did they give a price last time? They gave a price last time I saw this, but it wasn't available though. I do remember a price, and they actually had two models. One was a smaller one, and then one was a bigger one. I think the smaller one was like 1,500, and the bigger one was like maybe 35 or 4,500. I want to say 45. But here they don't even give you the option to click on anything. And that was minimum 1 year ago, but I want to say 2. Because I remember looking at this one. All right. Well, let's go to the weekly. I mean, I like it. Just really surprised they don't have a working product yet. 3-day. So what we're doing is we're looking for the pivots. We're looking for the change of direction. Because right now, on the 3-day time frame, I guess we use that one. We just see the breaking of the lows. We don't want to see that. We want to see the breaking of the highs. We don't want to see breaking of the highs on Bitcoin. That we don't. Get out of there. Go home. Go home. All right, moving on. So it's a daily. So we had this nice. So my question is, do they have a sell-off? Crypto rank. Why would you do that? Always be in dark mode. Blender. Why is there a sell-off? Oh, they don't have it. They'll have like vesting, which is the token unlocks from all the angel investors, all that fun stuff. They don't have that information here. And that just means either they're not providing it or it's not, yes, okay, got it. Or, circulating supply, they're all out. Well, 95.4 of them. So this is good. Like you don't want to see it 30% because there's more than likely going to be airdrops. They're going to dump the coin. So that's good. Speaking about dumping, Bitcoin, go down. All right. Okay. I was just checking on that, seeing if there's airdrops. All right. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Looking for more ups and downs. So for this one, I would have to here to here, 14, 15%, 30%. Okay. Now, based off of the market cap, based off of these wicks, based off of the size of the candle bodies themselves, what I would do, not financial advice, I would have an alert above this most recent wick. And my alert would be right here. And that's at 0.3809. And what I would want to do is I would want to see, I need this to hit. If this does not hit, I'm not looking at this coin. When it does hit, I need to see something like this. I need to see something like this, to where it's gaining support on this level. But I will only notice that after my alert hits. Because if I see this prior to my alert, this could tank. I want to see that it's moving up. Now, if it's just a wick that sets this off, I reset my alert by moving it a little higher, and then I wait again. I want to see structure. I don't want to just hit a wick. It's like, oh, let me enter. No, I do like this project. See here, Banana Republic says ENA. It's in the, oh wait, wrong thing. ENA, TA. All right. ENA. Definitely. See, ETH, ecosystem, AI, depend. Now, I like it. I liked it when I first saw it. I'm really surprised they don't have a working thing yet. That's what I would do. Set that. All right. Next one is going to be much faster. I don't know the market cap on this either because, well, it's not one that we normally do. DEX USDT. MEXC. Nice. As far as the ups, I would expect it to come down though. I don't know what it is. Ooh, man, this looks beautiful. Holy moly. So this right here screams to me very low market cap. Now, can these low market cap coins make you money? Heck yeah. Heck yeah. What's not making us money right now is a Bitcoin. Yeah. All right. So let's look at this. Let's look at DEX. DEXE. Okay. Ooh, it's a no, get out of here. 1.77 billion. Now, because it's way up here, but here it was okay. And that's why the structure looks so much different than this, because this is like very low market. Then this, they're making money. Okay. Let's go to all. Okay, so they've been around since 2020, so about 4.5 years. Had their nice run up in March of 2021, and then red flag for me anyway. When the market was booming back in November, we had this. Come on, Bitcoin. Back in November, we had a lower high than March. Normally, we see the inverse. Lower high in March, higher high in November. Didn't happen. Then we had a really nice run up in 2024, and then now it's up here. Okay. Let's see here. So right now, all we're doing is we're waiting for Bitcoin to come down and break this level. That's what we're doing. If it breaks this level, loss. Where is this available? Been around for a long time. Good. If they weren't available on these three, I would say definitely no. Because, I mean, they've been around 4.5 years. Let's go to their DeFi, AI. Let's go to their website. What are they? Ooh, another fancy one. Look at you. I like it. It is your gateway to next generation governance and boring and innovative infrastructure for crafting and steering DAOs, empowered by the strength of a decentralized community. So it's just governance. Okay. Okay, got it. Smart contracts, got it. Boring. That's it. That's the end of their. No, there's more. See this, all this right here. Man, what the heck? I got to scroll like 10 times, 20 times to get to the next thing. The website, -1 point. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it moves. -1 point for the website. 50 plus contracts. Got it? Mobile friendly. Of what? Govern your DAO from a simple blah, blah. Okay. Oh, another one. 1, 2. Okay. Rewards, community, transparency. Okay. This one's not so much for me. Parsec is not so much for me, but could it make money? Sure. Why not? All right. We're not going to look at their Twitter, nothing like that. Let's go over here. It's just been rocking and rolling. Would I enter this? No. Why? It already moved. Place I would have liked to have entered was the break of this. It went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. I'd expect it to come down. Could it go up some more? Sure, of course. Mark cap is nice. Or what? Mark cap is nice. We do have a divergence. We have lower volume. Volume's down. Price is up. Divergence. We have high, and this one's coming up. High. This one's higher than this. Divergence. This one is high, This is lower. High is higher, divergence. So we have a lot of things screaming to us divergence. Now, did I see this prior to me saying that? No. Just look at the price action. Up, down, up, big move, down, nice retracement, up. I would expect it to come down to here at least. So this would be my buy zone. Let's do this, buy zone. And then what I also do is I do an actual, so it's not like leaving it up to decisions. I have this right here, lower entry. Could it go up another 40, 50%? Yeah, definitely, of course. Likelihood of that happening, I mean, it's there. Do some blue. Now, if it breaks this level, do I think it'll break the level? Let me zoom out. Look at this. Up, down, all the way down. So here was a zone. Broke below, up. I think this will be a nice, healthy retracement. Speaking about retracements, let's do our fib retracement tool from the low to the high. Boom. Golden pocket right here. If we do come down, I see this level, which is barely lower. Order block. Let's see here. Republic. Banana Republic. Are you still here? Banana Republic. Are you still here? If you are, let me know. Let me know in the chat. Whoever's here, I would like to see a 1 in the chat. Whoever's here, I would like to see a 1 in the chat. 1 lets me know you're awake. And 2 lets me know you're here. Let's see here. I don't think, so this one I'm going to do in yellow. I don't think this one will happen. This one, more so. And for this one, I would do right here for my lower entry. Again, I don't think this one will happen. Oh, wrong one. Lower entry. I see a retracement. So it came down here already off of this into our golden pocket. Came up. I still see it coming down. I could be completely wrong though. Possible to here with maybe a wick to this. So on this one, I would have to wait. Nice movement up. But I would expect a retrace. All right, going to the next one. Did I lose the chat? Am I still live? I think I'm still live. Oh, what happened here? It's not showing up. Oh, my app the program that I'm using, it stopped working. I don't know why. Oh. Let me bring this over here. Catch up in the chat really quick. Okay, we got ones, good. Yeah, definitely, J-Bot. Appreciate you. Okay, live, okay, good. Yeah, it's weird. Okay. Oh, here we go. Maybe because the browser fell asleep. I don't know. All right, moving on. Let's go to the next one. ACH. But is Banana Republic here? That's what I need to. Oh, wrong one. Let me see. Banana Republic. Ooh, Banana Republic's not here. So we're not doing this. Okay. Good stuff. Yeah, sometimes people will ask for certain things, and if you don't do it like right then and there, they leave. Like, oh, sorry, man. Okay. Moving on. Yeah, we're way past our time. Here. I do like this one though. We hear this, rapid fire. Come on. There we go. So ACH, USDT. XC. I do like this one. This made me a lot of money last time. Holy moly, will I touch it? Nope. Would not touch this one. Why? Get it removed. They moved a whole bunch. There's no way I'm touching this. People are selling off right now. I mean, it might come down to here. How you doing the box so big? But let's go 1 hour. Man, look at that. Nobody. Oh, can't see it. Nobody. Then YouTuber, boop. And then sell off a little bit. Did good though. It didn't go 100% or 78%. Did really nice on the retracement. Broke this level. I like these candle bodies, man. Broke the level. Then YouTuber again. Or maybe some kind of news. They probably had news. All the way up. Retracement. I would like to have seen more of a retracement to about here. Small retracement. Nice pump. Now, I have missed out on trades before because what I'm looking for is a retracement. And I want a certain amount of retracement, whether it's 38%, 50%. I want a certain percentage. Sometimes these will only retrace 15, 20%. These, they look around like, well, we'll just show you. These look like they did good. Let's see here. Let's go from here. These did really well. So this one actually, man, can't make this stuff up, guys. Good Lord. Golden Pocket City. Boop, 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 boop. Man, look at that. Good Lord. This is just beautiful. You know, once this running up, you can do this right here. It's really easy to see after the fact. But you do this right here, and then you see it, oh, bouncing here, bouncing here. I'm going to enter. So if like for me, I would not have done with these wicks. I would have my alert here. 4 hour candle needs to close above this level. My alert goes off. I see that it's here. I would enter, but thinking that it's going to come back here or maybe even here. So I'd only enter like 50%. And whoop, took off. Lots of selling pressure, but I mean, that's good though. People are taking profit. I would expect it to come down to at least in here before continuing up. So what is this one? Let's go ahead and hide this. Get out of here. Let's go from the swing low to the swing high. Golden pocket's right in here. Okay, right where my buy zone's at, pretty much, give or take. Lots of selling pressure, buying pressure right here. So this is what I think might happen. Nobody knows. This is what I think might happen. Here, to here, to here, to here, to here. That's what I think. All right. Let's see here. Yes, definitely join the Piper Academy Discord. They do have a free portion in there, and it is fire. Fire. I think Wednesdays, it's a Q&A for everybody. So definitely, there's nothing you can lose. Just put it that way. It's free. Nothing you can lose. And then you'll see the quality content in there. It's like good stuff. Speaking about good stuff, look at Bitcoin. Go, Bitcoin. Go. 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 Do it. Do it and like it. All right. So here, might come down 2 days, Joe. Possible. Possible. Jesse, let's move you over. There you go, Jesse. All right. So let's look at the Bitcoin. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Why does this look different? Oh, this is market dominance. How did this get here? What happened? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. No, I was doing this one. Dang it. Control, we'll just do Bitcoin. USD. 5-minute. Where's my, oh, I'm on YouTube, that's why. Change the platform. Okay. So right now we're looking at this. If it crosses this level, I'm in trouble. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my stop loss. I'm gonna move it right here. I'm gonna copy this because now this is a pivot. I don't want it going above this pivot. So I just copied my stop loss, going to my settings. So instead of losing 44%, now I would only lose 14%. Now this is, since it's giving me more data, now I know that, I mean, it could break this level and then come down, sure. But I don't want it breaking this level. I don't want it coming to this level. I want this going, I want the next thing that breaks is this. If not, it's gonna break my bank. Come on, $14, let's go. Right now we're up 11%. Up 11%, let's go. So this I do not want it to break. If it breaks this level, stop down. I want it to break this level. 101.090. This is what I want it to do. I almost said it needs to do it. It needs to do it so I can win. That's what it needs to do. Doesn't have to do anything it doesn't want to. It's like a, I always say that like a sexy girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever you're into. It's like you can tell them to do whatever. They're gonna do whatever they want. Give you a heads up. All right, moving on. All right, any questions, comments, concerns, issues? I don't think I can do the whole, right, I switch it to the other person. What's today, Monday? I used to be able to, but now I think I've been demoted. I don't. Oh no, I can go to edit. That's what it was. I'm not demoted, guys. Woo! Give me a +4. Give me a +4 if you're happy that I'm not demoted. I thought I was demoted for a moment. I really did. I thought I was demoted. I had to click another button. Where is it? I think it's here. No, it's not. I think it's here. There it is. Redirects. Redirects. Oh man, I thought I was demoted. Hey, does he have a thing today? Let me know. Does Frankie Candles have a thing today? Come on, Bitcoin. You're making me look bad. Come on, Bitcoin. Well, let's go. Let me know. Does Frankie Candles have a thing today? Go down, Bitcoin. Go down. We're losing people. We're losing people. See. I can't read the thing. Wolf is telling me something, but it's kind of grayed out. I don't see. See, nothing in the schedule yet. Is it too early? It's probably too early. I probably got to wait another couple minutes. Okay, not a problem. At least now I know how to do it. I think. Yes. All right, so if it breaks this level, not good. We want it to break this level. And right now, due to the bigger picture, came up, couldn't do it. Came up again, couldn't do it. Possible bearish retest on the smaller time frame. We need to break this level. And then this right here would be a good target. About, and we'll make it a little higher since we have such high leverage. Ooh, green candle. No green candle. What are you doing? I don't know where I entered. Probably here. I don't remember where I entered. That's good. 1%. Ooh, stop out city. Stop out city's coming. Stop out city's coming. Okay, not the problem. You know what he does. Okay. Stop out city. All right, so we'll just kick back for about 5 more minutes. Yeah, he normally puts it, because he goes live at 5:45. So he normally puts it, I guess, around this time. But right now, not panicking. Just crying a little bit inside. No play. Come on. Let's see if it comes down, if it just kind of fixes everybody out. Right now, we're up at 9%. So this is another little pivot. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Ooh, getting dangerous now. So here we can see this pivot. We need to break about this. I don't want my, where's my VWAP? I know there's one over here, but I don't want an anchored one. I just want the regular. Let's go VWAP. VWAP. It's way down here. Okay. I stopped out. Anchored VWAP. Right now we're underneath it. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Get that. Okay. Let's see here. B Team Crypto in the house. What's up? What's going on? See, it's always at 5:45. Always. The alert goes out at around 5:30. Okay, so it should be on now. So let's go back over there. Where am I at? Here. Okay, go to edit. Go to customization. Go to redirect. To this. I don't see him. Frankie. Candles. Okay, here it comes. I don't know why you didn't show me it earlier. Save. Okay, there we go. So I just put it on there, and right now we are, what are we? We are Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Where's my stuff? Oh, this. We're up 0.8%. But getting a little worried. But it's okay though, because I mean we're gonna get stopped out. If we get stopped out, we're down 14%, which is much better than 44% that we were earlier. So we'll see. What I really want to see is it come down, break this level, they come down, break this level, and then our target would be here. We'll find out. We shall see. But I don't like how it's looking right now above the 9 SMA on the 5-minute time frame. Don't like it. We'll see. All right. Let's see here. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. When this show ends, we will all go to Frankie Candles. Make sure to drop the graduation hats. Oh, I can't see links. It should be done like right after the show ends. Everybody should be redirected. I just did it right now. Well, not right now, but all right. That's all I got. I do thank you guys so much. I will see you over there. Until the next time. Oh, did I even put this up here? Dang it. I forgot. Is that it? Nope, this. Make sure to join us tonight, of course, on all the shows. But I will be guest host on Lunar Beaches, which is Markets After Dark at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to check us out there. And of course, all the other shows that we have. All right, guys, I do thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Oh, I forgot to look at the screen. And take 2. No, I'm just fine. All right. So let's everybody go over there and do our graduation hats. All right, guys, take care.
In the land of digital gold, TA with T.I. Joey Bold.